So you do the math, 2 kW times 1 million. How much megawatt is going to add to our system? And now here is the supply constraint, right? The thing is, a substation or a transmission or a distribution line has some fixed thermal capability to pass the electricity on, right? So for example, a substation may have only 25 megawatts of capacity. And for 100 years, we have used almost 50% of that. So 25 megawatt, 50% of that, 12.5 megawatt. So we have 50% capacity left. And now all the cars, rough estimate of 2 kW times 1 million, they're going to charge, and let's say they are all in that substation. And the substation can no longer provide you the electricity. What do? You upgrade the substation, you increase your capacity, right? And that's the project, right? Substation project. Question is, how do you know that all the cars will be charged at that substation? What is the probability of that? Or even if you have 1.1 million, how many cars are charged in Massachusetts, Connecticut, and New Hampshire in our service territory? How do you know when they are going to charge? How do you know which level they are using? How do you know what time they are charging their car? Is it at night? Day? If it is a federal holiday, would you charge this car? Probably yes, probably no. Are you only charging at home, or are you charging at your workplace, or when you are at the interstate, maybe at rest stop? So to charge those cars, how many chargers need to be installed? And for those chargers, how much money do you need to go for the capital cost? Question, right? All the uncertainties and questions here. So that's one of the challenges that all of the utility industry in the US are now facing. We were not ready for this way. We didn't ask the battery or car manufacturers to provide more EVs. It was policy. It was funding for the federal government. It was funding for the state government to provide a sustainable future for our kids. No one wants to go for carbon anymore. Everyone wants to electrify. No one wants dirty fuel. Everyone wants to electrify. It's not only your car, it's your home. It's basically everything. It's a race to electrify everything in America. And by policy, I can say Massachusetts policy, by 2050, the year, everyone should have an electric car. Now the question is, if everyone has an electric car by 2050, how much money is going to add 27 years from now? Estimate, right? Forecast. That's the challenge that I was talking about. How likely is to get an EV? As I said, last year, based on sales data, we have 1.1 million vehicle in operation electric vehicle on road in US. Let's say 5% of that are in our service territory, 3 states. The question is, where the vehicles are going? I don't know. There is a temporal uncertainty here.